How is the focal length of the corrective convex lens for myopia determined? A. By trial and error. B. Through a standard formula. C. By examining retina images. D. By measuring eyeball length. The correct answer is B. Through a standard formula. In the context of habitats, what does the term biotic refer to? A. Geographical features. B. Chemical elements. C. Living organisms. D. Non-living things. The correct answer is C. Living organisms. Where did Malar initially think computers were primarily used? A. Textile shops. B. ATMs. C. Railway stations. D. Banks. The correct answer is A. Textile shops. Who is the author of Pattanapalai mentioned in the text? A. Kovalan. B. Managan. C. Kannagi. D. Kadiyalur Uruttiranganana. The correct answer is D. Kadiyalur Uruttiranganana. What scientific law is represented by the relationship between the line connecting a planet and the sun and the areas it covers? A. Law of conservation of momentum. B. Law of universal gravitation. C. Law of conservation of energy. D. Law of equal areas. The correct answer is D. Law of equal areas. What is the refractive index of the glass plate mentioned in the problem? A. 1.0. B. 2.0. C. 1.33. D. 1.5. The correct answer is D. 1.5. Which process is responsible for the formation of red soil? A. Leaching. B. Compaction. C. Deposition. D. Erosion. The correct answer is A. Leaching. What property of magnets has been used for centuries to find directions? A. Magnetic property. B. Directive property. C. Repulsive property. D. Attractive property. The correct answer is B. Directive property. Where are propellants typically kept in the context of space travel? A. In space probes. B. In launching rockets. C. Within the Earth's atmosphere. D. On the surface of planets. The correct answer is B. In launching rockets. Which port city in Tamil Nadu was known for ships from Arabia and China? A. Mumbai. B. Thoothukudi. C. Kochi. D. Chennai. The correct answer is B. Thoothukudi. Which type of plant is mentioned as having a fibrous root of grass? A. Dicotyledonous. B. Pteridophyte. C. Monocotyledonous. D. Bryophyte. The correct answer is C. Monocotyledonous. If elements were arranged solely by increasing atomic mass, where would argon appear? A. In the position of potassium. B. In the position of lithium. C. In the position of sodium. D. In the position of helium. The correct answer is A. In the position of potassium. What causes red soils to have a brown to red color? A. Presence of aluminum. B. Lack of moisture. C. High clay content. D. Presence of iron oxide. The correct answer is D. Presence of iron oxide. Which type of bonding is typically associated with a large electronegativity difference? A. Polar covalent. B. Metallic. C. Nonpolar covalent. D. Ionic. The correct answer is D. Ionic. What two halves does the Tropic of Cancer divide India into? A. Arid and humid. B. Northern temperate and southern tropical. C. Eastern and western. D. Central and peripheral. The correct answer is B. Northern temperate and southern tropical. What was used to cover the peacock shivering in the cold? A. A scarf. B. A blanket. C. A shawl. D. A coat. The correct answer is C. A shawl. What is defined as an economic system consisting of two very different parts? A. Dual economy. B. Unanimity. C. Purchasing power. D. Coincidence. The correct answer is A. Dual economy. The learning objectives include knowing about the physical features and what else of these continents? A. Population density. B. Political history. C. Drainage. D. Major religions. The correct answer is C. Drainage. What percentage of migration is accounted for by business? A. 9.6%. B. 6.7%. C. 1.2%. D. 3%. The correct answer is D. 3%. Which category of traffic signs is mandatory signs? A. Warning signs. B. Regulatory signs. C. Mandatory signs. D. Informative signs. The correct answer is C. Mandatory signs. When was the Golden Quadrilateral project launched? A. 1999. Born in 2001. Circa 1990. D. 2005. The correct answer is A. 1999. In which direction do electrons flow through a conducting path? A. Randomly without a specific direction. B. From lower potential to higher potential. C. Only in the presence of a magnetic field. D. From higher potential to lower potential. The correct answer is B. From lower potential to higher potential. How many central nuclei are typically found in cardiac muscle cells? A. 1 or 2. B. 0. C. 1 to 3. D. More than 3. The correct answer is C. 1 to 3. What is one type of hazard to identify on the way to school from home? A. Protected wildlife areas. B. Well-maintained gardens. C. Underground tunnels. D. Roads of heavy traffic. The correct answer is D. Roads of heavy traffic. What sensation confirms the presence of vibrations when touching a struck pan? A. Roughness. B. Warmth. C. Stickiness. D. Movement. The correct answer is D. Movement. How many words are combined in the Sanskrit word Nalanda? A. 1. B. 4. C. 3. D. 2. The correct answer is C. 3. A fuse is described as a strip of what material? A. Alloy wire. B. Ceramic. C. Pure lead. D. Pure tin. The correct answer is A. Alloy wire. In what year did an uprising by Indian sepoys and officers occur in Vellore Fort? A. 1857. Born in 1799. Circa 1806. D. 1919. The correct answer is circa 1806. What characteristic of land means its total quantity cannot be changed? A. Heterogeneity. B. Indestructibility. C. Fixed in supply. D. Immobility. The correct answer is C. Fixed in supply. How does internal migration affect the size of a country's population? A. It decreases the population size. B. It increases the population size. C. It doubles the population size. D. It does not change the population size. The correct answer is D. It does not change the population size. How did you score?